Hello, my friends, Idania here. Today I will be in my kitchen cleaning, taking down some of the Christmas decor that is still here in my kitchen and around the house. Some of them will stay cause they are more wintry and neutral. Also, I will be sharing a little bit of decor for this month of January here in my kitchen and my eating area. For me, this month is a transitional time when I like to feel my space clean and fresh. Then, when the time comes, I will start decorating for spring. Let me know in your comments below if you decorate for winter or you just go from Christmas to spring. Winter in Texas is not too cold or snowing this year, but we still enjoy the fresh temperatures. I know, it feels so good outside, but it's time to start to clean our kitchen. My kitchen countertop is a little bit messy because I clean all the drawers and all the extra items that I found in there. I just place it on top of the countertop to figure out later if I need them or not. So let's go ahead and sit and relax and enjoy this video. I usually empty all my kitchen before I start to clean, but let's be honest to you, not always I have that time. So I will be emptying a portion of the countertop where I will be cleaning, starting here and finishing with the island. When I clean my kitchen, I love that fresh smell that stay here for a while and take away any food smell. I have some granite cleaning spray, but they don't give me that feeling that I'm looking for. So I just go ahead and clean everything with my favorites, Mayors. I have been trying almost all the scents, but so far my favorite is lemon verbena. The smell is amazing. I'm gonna be cleaning everything today with that. And I have to say that I am so happy here with my new gas range. I think it makes a huge difference here in my kitchen. My dear husband surprised me with all my new appliances for the new year. I am super happy because it will make my life easier, and of course my kitchen also looks so good with them. And I have arrived to my favorite part of the cleaning, my kitchen. I really enjoy giving a good cleaning to the sink. I additional to the lemon verbena cleaning spray, adding vinegar for some extra cleaning. I also use baking soda for this purpose, but I don't have any right now in my house because I use it too much. So it's finished. I use it for all my cleaning purpose. And I finally have some furniture here in my eating area. If you are following me, you would know that I didn't have any dining furniture here for a while, and instead I have a sitting area. Well, I recently purchased this corner cabinet that is fit perfectly here in this little corner because I don't want to block the window. So I am so happy with it. I have something to decorate and also to store some of my items. And I also found this round table with 4 chairs dining set on Marketplace, very close to my house. We just painted in white and sanded the top part, and that's it. It fit perfectly here too. I love it. The cabinet is from Amazon. I'm going to be leaving the link below in case you have any corner in your house. Sometimes we don't know what to put there, but look at this corner cabinet. It fits there perfectly, and I can storage my cups and also decorate it. I have some beautiful cups, if you can see there, for coffee or tea, and they are also from Amazon. You can use it for winter, for spring, because they have beautiful colors. They also have green, red, cream, and yellow. I used the red during Christmas. Now they are in the back, so I'm using the light color now in front for winter. And I'm happy I have my plants back here. I can decorate with them. I moved them during Christmas because I don't want the place to feel too crowded with the Christmas decoration, my plants. So I just moved them, but I brought them back. Here I can take care of them better. And of course, they also decorate my space so beautiful. I love the white, the green, and the wood color together. It's a perfect blend for your house. And for the floor, I just using the Pinalene floral cleaner that also smells very good and work very well with the lemon verbena. To be very simple on my dining table, I'm just gonna place this vase from Target that I love so much and the cotton branches from Amazon. It feels very winterish here. Okay, and that's it. Let's enjoy the tour for what I have done today, what I accomplished, cleaning and decorating my kitchen and my eating area. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's really enjoyable when you see a place clean and fresh for the new start of the year. So happy new year, and I hope this year brings so much joy to your life, your family. I am wishing you the best in this new year. Enjoy to the fullest. And if you are visiting me today, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so every time when I have a new video, you will see it. So I hope to see you in my next video. For now, I just want to say bye-bye. Stay tuned.